What's up, everybody? It's your boy AC in the building. We back with another review. Today, we in the building. I had to go buy another light. You know what I'm talking about? So let's get to it. Let's get reviewing. Back to it.
Premiumbeat.com.
Right now, we just gonna crack him on over. We crack him on over. Snap. Crack one pop. Okay. We got the ring. Looks like the ring. Right. We got the phone holder. Little part for the phone holder. Remote. Something missing. We got what looks like the stand. Gotta be the stand. It's gotta be the stand. Okay. 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 I was about to say something looking a little crazy. Alright, we're just gonna tighten that. We're gonna get right to it. Right to it. As you can see, we got the stand right here. I don't even know if I need a. Okay. I was almost about to do that the wrong way. I was about to do it my way instead of the manual. So they said, get this, pop this open. We're gonna run this. I guess they said, get the clip, turn this in there, twist these. Oopsie. And go on. Mortal Kombat, man. I'm flipping at you. Try to get the grip. Yeah. Okay. As you can see, it's got that on there. Twist up that top. I assume we put this one. This is what I assume. You know what I'm talking bang. We got that in there. Let me see if there's anything else.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Okay. I did that wrong. We're gonna take this right back off. We're gonna take this right back up. Yep. Take that right back off. And what we gonna do is got it before. Hold the phone. First thing is that I don't even know why I get the phone mount. And I don't really use it to hold my phone. I really use it just for the light. I be needing the light for my stream. Dang. Now this. That. For me. Feel me, G's? Feel me? Okay. That's what I'm stuck on. Yep. Yeah. Alright. Let's try it out. I don't even know if this one's got batteries. No. What's got batteries? No? Oh, the lights is on though. It took a minute. What is on?
As you can see right now, we are actually just trying to show you the different lighting patterns and stuff that it does. So as you can see right now, I'm just flipping through them. I think it has about 10 different patterns and different light colors it has on there. Patterns too. They're actually kind of dope though. This is the one I'm gonna use for GTA, baby. 5 stars. Little pulsating and all that. It's decent for the money though. It's definitely worth the money. And at this moment, I think I'm just running back through them. With the on button and the remote, once you press that, it has 2 different. It goes to the white, then it goes to another light, like a yellowish kind of. And once you push on, that's the only way that you can do like to make it brighter or make it lower. Once you're using the other colors, you can't use that. As you can see, it's dimming right now, getting it back brighter. Switch back to the other duller. There we go. Brighten it up. Dim it out. And you can only change the colors if you use that middle button. That's how you get back. Bang. Gotta use that middle button. It's your boy AC though, and as you can see, we done with another review today, man. We had to check out this ring light. If you like it, subscribe, leave a comment at the bottom, and check it out because we got more stuff coming. You already know.
Premiumbeat.com